Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 4 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the keyboard, for example in the messages, notes, browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen. Let me open it right here. And now all we have to do is to tap on this settings icon in the upper panel. Now let's tap on languages and types, and as you can see, this is the list of all currently applied languages. I've got not only English but also I believe it is Russian. I'm not sure. So all we have to do right now is to tap on manage input languages to open the full list of available languages. If you want to remove the previous language, simply tap on this switcher right here and it will be completely disabled. Right here, let's find the language we would like to apply, and let me choose something which is, I would say, more graphical to show you the actual difference, as I've removed the previous language. Was it Russian? Yes, it was. So let me pick maybe Georgian. Let's simply find the language and tap on the switcher. Now we can go back, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied, and of course the Russian language immediately disappears from this list. Right here we've got also the option for a language switching method. So after tapping on it, we can decide how we want to change the language, because if we will have more than one language is added here, then we will of course be able to switch it in the keyboard. So you can either use language key and spacebar swipe, or divide them, only language key or only spacebar swipe, up to you. I'll show you both. So now we can go back because I'd like to show you the keyboard. This is how it looks like. Of course, it will have the name of the language we're currently using, and the most important thing is that globe icon, which will allow us to change the language so we can switch through the layouts. So this is how it works. Of course, we can turn it off. I mean, remove the language completely and leave only one. Just go to the languages and types. Tap on the on the manage input languages again, and right here just turn it off by using this switcher. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that we do not have the globe icon, which means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.